Come with me and let's see if we can fix a cord on this broken blind with just one hand. I am making a video this morning of the most annoying bloody thing. I thought the ticking fan was annoying. Well, this might take the cake. So let me show you something. I have a roller blind that was here when I purchased this house. They're extremely good quality, but sometimes this happens and the cord breaks. This is a metal cord as well, so it's not like it's cheap plastic. Anyway, it snapped and one of the kids pulled on it and pulled it entirely out of the thing. So I have figured out a way to get it back in, which is relatively simple, and it doesn't require you to dismantle this entire thing and unscrew brackets. So let me show you how. Firstly, you go to Spotlight and you pick up one of these little guys that you can use to rejoin your broken chain. Then the tricky part is that we need to get it not only back over this, but it needs to be in the track. And it's not as easy as you think, because at the back, it's a bit tricky to see, there is like a plastic cover here, so it needs to actually go on the inside of this. That plastic cover stops it from popping off the track. So how do you get it inside of that? Well, I've done it once. Hopefully I can do it again and show you what to do. All right, so I have hand wound up my blind. Now, firstly, you need to figure out if to get this to roll backwards, whether you need to have your blind rolled up or down. So basically what I'm trying to achieve here is I want to place my little ball bearing chain on this track and then hand roll this in order to make it pull through and guide itself down behind the cap cover at the back. So like I said, I did it once. Hopefully I can do it again. It's going to be tricky while filming. So, oh, here we go. I'm going to pull it out. Oh, do I regret this? Okay. All right. So now I'm not only trying to do it a second time, I'm trying to do it with just one hand while I film. So maybe, okay, so I've popped those in. Okay, I'm doing this one-handed, remember? And now I'm gonna hand wind this. So I'm hand winding this. Okay, it's popped out the back, fingers crossed. Yes, it is in properly. So now I can pull it. And my blind is going to work. Now it's just a matter of popping that on to reconnect the two parts of my chain. Ta-da! So now fingers crossed. Yes. Oh. I can wind my blind up and down again. Terrific. Another thing conquered. Done it. We did it. You can do it too. I hope that is an easy solution and a little trick to help you out if you have this problem at home.